Then the last two questions of exercise 4.4. Now what does the second question say? Find the value of k. Okay, find the value of k if roots are equal. So here you find that there is a k which is unknown, and we can easily find out ABC. Okay, A is 2, B is k, and C is 3, right? If roots are equal, we know the condition that D is 0, so B square minus 4AC is 0. So apply that condition here, we'll get k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is 0. So k square is 24 because the negative 24 will be transferred to that side. So k square is 24. So k is root of 24. So what is root 24? I am going to find out the factors of 24. I can bring out the 2. So I get 2 root 6 because this doesn't have factors. It will remain inside. Now always write plus minus because this I have explained to you many times that there can be a positive case as well as a negative case. So if you don't write plus minus, you may lose half mark. Okay, so when you're taking the root of a number, take it as plus minus. Then here we have kx, and inside the bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is 0. Okay, this is equal to 0. Now open the brackets first of all. Kx into x, we get kx square. Kx into minus 2, we are getting minus 2kx plus 6 as it is. Now what is the value of a? A is the coefficient of x square, that is k. What is b here? Minus 2k. And what is c? 6. Again the question says that the roots are equal. If roots are equal, then discriminant is 0. You are applying the formula, so we get 4k square minus 24k is 0. What do you realize? You realize that 4k is common. So when you take 4k common, you will get k minus 6 is 0. When the product of two numbers is 0, what does it mean? Either this is 0, 4k is 0, or k minus 6 is 0. One of them have to be 0, otherwise the answer can never be 0. So if I am assuming this as 0, then k value is 0. And if I am assuming k minus 6 as 0, then the value of k will be 6. Now k0 is rejected. Why is k0 rejected? Because if I am putting 0 here, then this whole term gets cancelled and it is no longer a quadratic. And when we defined quadratic in the first class, we said that a quadratic equation is an equation in which a cannot be equal to 0. So the coefficient of x square can never be 0, because once a is 0, that is the coefficient of x square is 0, then it no longer remains a quadratic. So final answer we will write in this case k equal to 6. Then question number 3. It's an easy question. The breadth of the rectangle is x and the length is twice the breadth, and area is given 800. And we know that area formula of a rectangle is L into B. So 2x into x is 800, 2x square is 800, so x square will be 800 upon 2, that's 400. So x will be root of 400, and root 400 is what? Plus minus 20. Now again, plus minus 20 has to be written, but negative 20 we will not take here because length and breadth of rectangle cannot be negative, so that's rejected. So we will take x as 20. If x is 20, what will happen? The breadth will be 20 and the length will be 2 into 20, 40. Is it clear? I hope this is clear. This is an easy one. Then we come to question number 4. This is a word problem again. There are two friends and the difference of their ages is 20. Difference of their ages is 20. So I am assuming age of the first friend as x and age of the second friend as 20 minus x, because the total is 20. Okay, total of their ages is 20. So age of the first friend is x and age of the second friend 20 minus x. This is clear, I hope, no? Suppose one person is 5 years old, the other person is 15. Okay, the total is 20. Sum of their ages is 20. Now what is happening? 4 years ago. Now 4 years ago means what? You will have to subtract 4 from these. So when I subtract 4 from x, you will get x minus 4. And when I subtract 4 from here, I will get 20 minus x minus 4, that is 16 minus x. Now 4 years ago what happens? We have found out their ages, but 4 years ago the product of their ages is 48. So when I am multiplying their ages 4 years ago, I should get 48. Now we are opening the brackets, and when you open the brackets, you will get a quadratic. A value is coming minus 1, B is coming 20, C is coming minus 1, 1, 2. I am finding out the value of the discriminant b square minus 4ac, and I am getting negative 48. Now what does a negative answer indicate? Negative value of discriminant, it indicates that the roots are unreal. So question is the situation possible? The answer will be no, it's not possible because the roots are unreal. Okay, so need not solve any further. You will just say that d is less than 0, roots are unreal. Then the last question here, question number 5, this is a rectangle. We are assuming the length of the rectangle as x and the breadth as y. Okay, perimeter is given 80. Now what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is 2 bracket L plus B. So twice of x plus y is 80. So x plus y will be 80 upon 2. That will be 40. So from here we can say y is 40 minus x. Now what is given? It is given further that area is 400. If area is 400, area formula is what? L into B. L into B means what? According to the assumption that we have made, xy is 400. So x into, what is the value of y here? We have got 40 minus x, that I am putting here, is 400. Open the brackets here, so you are getting a quadratic, and then we are splitting the middle term here. When you are adding, you should get 40. When you are multiplying, you should get 400. So your factors are 20 and 20. And when you solve this, you will get the value of x as 20. Now once you get x, what is the value of y? Y value we have got as 40 minus x. So 40 minus 20 will also be 20. So that means x is also 20, y is also 20. So situation is possible, right? So it's actually a square. And please remember, square is also a rectangle. So don't worry that all sides are equal. You will not say that rectangle is not possible. It is possible because this is coming a square and square is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle is not a square, but square is a rectangle.